Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can send money to a bank account from your Chime app. So let's get started. So first open the Chime app on your iPhone and make sure you're on the Home tab. After that, tap on the Pay option at the bottom. It's the one with two-person icons. Then you'll be taken to the Pay section where you'll see a QR code that someone can scan to receive money. But you can also just enter the amount you want to send manually, and then enter the recipient's details. The best part is the person you're sending money to doesn't even need a Chime account. You can simply use their email address or phone number, and Chime will send them a secure link where they can enter their debit card details to receive the funds directly into their bank account. Once you've entered the amount, tap Pay. You might be asked to allow access to your contacts. You can skip that if you want and just type the person's info manually. After that, you can add a short note or emoji to describe the payment. Then tap Continue. Review all your payment details carefully. Make sure the email or phone number is correct and that the payment is being sent from your Chime balance. If everything looks good, tap Pay again to confirm. Chime will immediately send the recipient a message or email with a link to claim the funds. And once they enter their debit card info, the money will arrive instantly. If they don't claim it within a set time, the money automatically goes back into your account. And that's it. Now you know how to send money from your Chime account directly to any bank account quickly, safely, and with no fees. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.